Hey guys, I'm back with another repair video. Today we have an Asus Vivobook to repair. The model number is Asus Vivobook 15, model M1502Y, notebook PC. Okay. Yep. Can focus maybe? Yeah. And this laptop is dead. So, okay, let's check this out. Sony Master, AMD Radeon graphics, and an AMD Ryzen 7 for the CPU. So let's try to power on the laptop. Okay, nothing. Ah, the LEDs should light right here. But yeah, all right. Good. Let's connect the laptop to my power supply. I have here the adapter already prepared, and this is my cable. What I want to do today, as you can see here, I have some new small tools. I have this kind of USB meters that I recently procured from AliExpress, and I want to test them out. So this small one goes up to max 5 amps, 48 volts, 5 amps, as you can see. These are USB meters for barrel jack type of charging cables. Yeah, okay. And this one goes up to 30 volts, 12 amps, as you can see. All right. So yeah, let's use the bigger one. So I will just plug here. So I have already a reading, 19 volts, 0.3. So here I have 19 volts, 0.4. All right. So we have twice the measurement. And then I need to use the adapter, of course, because we have a blue charging barrel jack with a small pin inside. So let's see what we have. What really do we have? So it's taking 10 milliamps. Here we have point, well, almost zero. All right. Any charging light? Nope. Not really. If I would try to power on, nothing is happening. Okay. Good. Let me try it without this power meter. Okay. So now it's not drawing any power. So the 10 milliamps, it was drawn by this multimeter. So yeah, okay. That is interesting. Yep. So pressing the power on button, nothing happening. Nothing is happening. Yeah, no charging light. All right. Good. Let's see what we have here. Hopefully it's going to be electronics and not only cleaning the cooling systems as I did recently. So one screw missing right here. The rest are in place. I believe someone already was here before me. Okay, that was missing. Yeah. Let's see. It's an easy fix, or we go down deep in the rabbit hole with this too. Because sometimes already know it's not very straightforward to repair a laptop. But yeah, we'll see together today. Okay, so this is a long one here. Good. Let me pry open the back cover. Okay. Should I go in the back also? What do you think? Oh, maybe yes. It's going to help, of course, always. And on the left side too. Come on. Okay. Maybe we have screws here beneath. Do you think? The rubber feet. Let's check. Nope, we don't. That's great. Easier for us. Ah, I pressed back the back cover. Yep, I forgot this one. Ah, that was a tight one. All right, it's a long one. Great. And the back cover is out. Good. Okay, let me put the back cover here. Wow, that's a lot of dust in the fan, as you can see. Where is my spudger? I do like my spudger. So, overheating yet again? No. I'm a little bit tired with this. But yeah, okay, let's try some basic stuff, like unplugging the battery. Unplugging the battery. There is any BIOS battery? Nope, for sure is not. In this model, let me press the power button for a couple of seconds. Okay. Where is my power supply cable? So that my space so small. Okay, let's put back the battery connector. Okay. All right. Connect. Ah, so we have 1.5 amps. Okay, something just happened. All right. Do we have some charging light? Yes, I do. I do have the charging light here, the orange light. So it's pulling 1.5 almost. And I have the charging light. And if I press the power button, okay. Nope. So it's charging, but it's not powering on. Sticky keys? Liquid damage? Nope. Okay. Yeah, the laptop is not powering on, although I press. All right. So, what do we have here? Yes, we do have a new USB-C. Wait, the fan. Full speed. What is that for? That's interesting. So we do have the fan at full speed after a couple of seconds. CPU, yeah, the CPU is warm. Okay. Um, okay. And yes, we do have the lights right here. We have a white light and the orange light. So the laptop is on and we have the charging light also. But why the fan is at full speed? Hmm? If we unplug, yeah, the laptop is still on. All right. Let me try to switch it off. Let's see if the Super IO chip is reading the power button. Oh, that's good. The Super IO chip is reading the power button. Okay. I see something here. Kind of liquid damage. But yeah, let me bring the microscope. Yeah, let me push my tools sideways to make some room. Okay, let me bring my microscope. All right, microscope. All right, right here. And of course I need to switch it on, of course. So for that I need my smart app. Where is my microscope? Here. All right. Microscope is on. Let's switch to microscope. Great. And I think near the Wi-Fi card, I've seen something. Guys, what is that? Is liquid damage or something else? All right, just before I'm touching the motherboard, I would like to take the battery out. Okay. And here we have something. Yep. All right, let's clean that. I don't know what it is, but let's clean a little bit. Q-tip. If that is liquid damage, we might need to inspect a little bit more the motherboard. Let me go with the brush. Okay. Yeah, let's clean. I think it's okay now. Good. Let's wipe a little bit. Is it dry enough for you? Yeah. Intersil. Okay. So here we have the charging IC. So the liquid drop or whatever was that was right here. Do you think there's something underneath the Wi-Fi card? I don't know, but let's check it out. Top camera. Okay, let me move the microscope. The battery is out. Let's see. Any liquid or whatever was that underneath? No, I cannot see anything. Good. I might need to pause maybe a little bit. My little girl, she's waking up, I think. Hopefully not, because I don't want to pause right now. Okay. Good. Let me connect back the battery. And let's try to power on. Nothing? Nope. Let me plug the charger. Let me plug the charger. And the charger, yeah, it's on the other side. Hey, we have image. Really? That was it? A small drop of liquid or whatever was that killed the laptop. All right, guys. I think that's it, huh? That was the most easiest and fastest repair I ever did. But for sure, yeah, the cooling system needs to be cleaned out. But I will not bother you with this because lately I had a lot of videos cleaning and wiping and changing the thermal paste, so I will not yeah, bother with you. So yeah, guys, as you saw, just a small liquid damage near the charging IC ruined this computer for good. All right. Yeah, great. The mouse is working. Of course it's working. Let me try to cover a little bit. I don't want to edit this video, so if I click, yeah, there is a name and the keys fully working. So maybe I can use, yeah. All right, let me power off. Yep, nope, good. All right, guys, I will not keep you anymore here. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned, more videos will come. Bye.